Bill Gates is now backing something called sun-dimming technology that would reflect sunlight out of the Earth's atmosphere, causing global cooling.
Did you hear what Bill Gates said? We're going to send something to blow up the sun or block out the sun into space. I'm like, look at these arrogant people. When are we going to humble ourselves? Bible says, if I call for a famine on the land, if I send locusts to devour your field, or I send a plague among you, if my people called by my name shall humble themselves, seek my face, pray, turn from their wicked ways, I'll hear from heaven,